Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to get clips for Capcut editing. Alright, let's get started. Here I have opened my Capcut and we're going to click on new project. And actually there are a lot of clips that have been available on Capcut that we can use for our edits. We can simply click on stock videos right here. And there will be a lot of clips you can use. For example, if you want to put intro to your edit, you can click on intro right here. And then there are a lot of intros you can use. You can choose it as you like. And if you want to add transition, you can simply click on transition option right here. And you can choose the transition clip you like for your edit. Okay, and you can explore it by yourself, guys. And after you choose the clip that you like, you can click on add to add the clip to your edit. Just choose the clip that you like. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on the clip, then click on add right here to add the clip to your edit. Okay guys, that's how we can get clips for Capcut editing. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.